naglalakad sila guys. Kahit maputik, lalakaran lang yan nila guys. Wala yung pakialam. I-continue natin yung ating story time. Nung nag-meet kami ni Happy doon sa California. May tent dyan. Guys, we're walking here. Yeah, it's currently like 49 degrees Fahrenheit, so like 10 degrees or 10 degrees Celsius. Ang lamig today, guys. Punta kami ng park ni Mr. So, ito yun yung ayan, bald na yung mga ibang puno. Is kalbo na, guys. Lakad muna kami, papawis konti. Ang linis pala ng park nila dito, guys, malinis. Ganda din. Ayan yung park dito. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Noy and Cory.
Hey.
There's Cory right there.
In the cold.
And Noy. It's cold here, guys.
Yeah, I got my puffy jacket on.
Yeah, we are in the park walking.
Yeah.
At the park.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Dito kami sa California pala, guys. Sa Northern California. So, i-continue natin yung ating story time. Nung nag-met kami ni Happy doon sa Pinas, sa Iloilo, in my city. Yeah, right, love?
What? Yeah.
Yeah. So what can you say in our first met?
When I first met you and I got off the plane, because you were waiting for a couple hours,
Yeah.
because my plane was delayed.
Uh-huh.
I thought you were cute. You had a big smile on your face.
Uh-huh.
You're attractive.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Or it's just the compliments?
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
Nice.
And what did you think about Philippines? What can you say
I
about
like the Philippines. Well, when I first flew over, I started getting sad because I looked at down when I was in the
What
plane
made you sad?
and all the people, how they live, because all of them had houses made of bamboo. And over here, the homeless is a lot different over here. They just sleep anywhere.
Okay.
But over there, they try to make a house, which
Okay,
is
go this way.
good.
Then, pagdaan tayo dito, guys. Saglit muna. Kuha muna tayo ng boilo. Sure.
And then I was stinky too because I didn't take a shower
It's okay.
for like 24 hours because I took a night flight. I left LA at 11 p.m. But the plane didn't take off till 1 or 2.
1 or 2.
And then I got to Manila.
And then, how about they call that one when you first landed there? Yeah.
Well, when I first landed, it was pretty okay. I landed in Manila, and I had to go through immigrations and customs. And
No, you first landed in Philippines. You landed in Cebu, right?
oh yeah, I landed in Cebu. So Manila was the second time.
Yeah, that was the
So I
second
landed
time.
in Cebu. And
Okay, hold on. Continuation. Nagnanam kasi yung kamay ko, guys. Ang lamig. Wala kaming gloves. Pero okay lang kasi maaraw naman siya. So,
I landed
ayan.
in Cebu.
Pagpatuloy.
I took the Philippine Air straight.
Philippine Airlines.
Yeah, Philippine Airlines. And somebody told me to take all my stuff
Your
because
belongings. Watch out for
watch
the
out
blood.
for my stuff because there's a lot of like snatchers.
Pickpocketers, yes.
So I took everything with me. And then I finally got on the plane around 11, 12, I don't know. And then we flew. It was a short flight. It was like an hour and 13 minutes or something like that to Iloilo.
Like an hour flight.
Yeah, it was like maybe an hour, 45 minutes at the most. We took a little flight, a little plane.
So he has to go first guys kasi maputik. Alam mo naman yung mga apam guys, pag naglalakad sila guys, kahit maputik, lalakaran lang yan nila guys. Walang pakialam. Kahit malubong pa yan sa ano, yung paa nila, kahit maputik, sige lang. Hindi katulad sa atin na hanapin talaga natin yung daan na walang putik. But I noticed that most of the foreigners did, if they walk through the mud or wet floor,
Yeah,
they don't, you guys don't give a shit. You
We don't
just walk through it, like, you know. Unlike us, we always look for the dry spot that we can walk through.
we don't fall.
You guys don't care. Yeah, okay.
Well, back to story time. So I went after the Iloilo. I had to go through all kinds of baggage, customs, something. I got my bag, and then somebody, they were waiting for me, and she didn't spot me. Her sister did because I had a pillow around my neck. We call it a duck butt.
Yeah, ducky.
Yeah.
It's a traveling pillow
Yeah.
around the neck, like it has a duck on it.
Yeah.
Like
And then we still have
duck.
it.
Yeah, we still have it.
Yeah, we still have it. I don't
Yeah,
know what
so
that
yeah, and then we spot on him.
is. Yeah, and then they spotted
We found
me,
him.
and then
Yeah.
they had a sign that says, finally, after 1,000 and something
1,150 days.
days, I get to see you or
I
hold
get-
you.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Yeah.
Like I think kung na-watch nyo guys yung previous videos ko,
And then,
meron yan dyan sa first meeting namin.
Yeah.
So to make the story short, how was your trip?
Long. It was a long flight, but I liked it
How was
because
it?
I like direct flights.
And how's the Philippines?
I love the Philippines. I love it, but
How's the food
It was
and
the first
everything,
time though.
culture?
it was the first time there, and I didn't know how it was, but I like it. I like the food.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
I like pork adobo, chicken adobo, sinigang, pancit.
Lumpia.
I've always loved rice.
How about rice is
Lumpia.
life na yan siya guys. Lumpia. So yeah.
I didn't taste the lechon. I didn't want no lechon.
You did.
I did.
Your third time when we had vacation last year, we actually had a lechon for Nanay's birthday.
Oh, we did. Okay.
Yeah, and you ate some. Got it? Yeah, so,
Maybe I'll drink.
ayan na siya guys. So, yan yung story time niya. So, yeah. Na yung story time ni Mr. guys. And then next, pag-uusapan natin yung, tingnan nyo guys, yung bibig ko. So, sobrang dry. Nag-bleed siya.
It's getting
It's
better
like
though.
cold, so getting better. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng mga pimples. Kasi yan siya guys, pag winter, sobrang dry. Kahit nagmo-moisturizer ako, grabe sobrang dry ng balat ko dito. Yeah, so every winter lang naman yan.
Yeah.
So next video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung masasabi ko naman dito sa Amerika. Yung nung unang dating ko dito, yung first impression ko about sa culture ng USA, ng Amerika. So guys, thank you for watching us. Thank you for the support, and hope this channel will grow and together with you guys.
It'll grow.
Thank you so much for the support.
Thank you.
God bless you all.
Bye-bye.
Look guys, dito yan sa California. May tent dyan guys. homeless people. Maraming homeless dito guys sa California. Kaya dito dapat ano ka, masipag ka. Kasi kung tamad ka, ay nako, magiging homeless ka talaga kasi sobrang mahal ng the cost of living here in California is too expensive.
Well, the cost of living in the United States is expensive.
Yeah, I know.
United
Dito,
States,
dollar
yeah.
lahat. Ano, lahat naman na state siguro guys, hindi lang naman California.
There's a lot.
Pero I think California has the most percentage of homeless, has a lot
Well,
of homeless people.
either
And
California
anyway, everywhere
or
in
New
the
York.
world, I think may homeless naman.
Florida.
Pero dito, sa California, marami. Iwan lang sa ibang state, baka meron din. So, yan. Ito lang kami sa park, naglalakad-lakad. Ito, meron sila dito, dog park. Pang malakihan yan dito. And then sa kabila, yung maliit na mga dogs. Yan, so, malaki yung park nila dito guys. Pwede kayo, may mga playground din. Ayan, yung playground dyan. Pwede kayo pag may mga bata kayo or anak kayo, dalhin nyo dito. Makapag takbo-takbo. At, yan, lakad-lakad lang dito. Malapit lang kami mga 2 minutes. 2 minutes away, right? Lang sa apartment namin. Yeah.
Because we live right now.
So, yeah. Ito yung park dito, guys. Ayan, isa sa mga homeless. So, kung may masuggest kayo na video na gusto nyong gawin namin ni Mr. Huwag nyo lang kalimutan mag-comment sa aming video. Comment lang kayo dyan, and then please don't forget to like and then subscribe to our channel. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys. God bless. Say bye bye baby.
Bye-bye.